Hi there, welcome back to the garage, and another new vehicle joins the fleet. This one's made by JXC. It's 1/24th scale. It's licensed. It's the Mitsubishi DELICA. Comes in two versions: two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and three amazing color schemes. Let's open up the box and check it out. Enjoy. Let's have a closer look at the box art. So this is JXC. It's licensed by Mitsubishi, and it's the Mitsubishi DELICA. It comes in three colours: red, yellow and black. 1/24th scale. Looks very, very cool. Now, how much did this cost? It cost £35, including shipping. Comes with all the scale accessories as part of the vehicle. So as I say, it comes in two versions: two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. I've gone for the four-wheel drive version. Let's have a closer look. So inside the box is polystyrene packaging. There we go. Just left out. Look at that. Controller and a charger. Striking yellow and black colour. Lots of detail, including the mirror, the ladder, toolboxes, jerry can, mirrors at the front, spotlights. Let's have a look underneath. Looking very good. Got an actual servo at the front there for steering. The servo saver. Quite nice little tyres. Now I think here is where your battery goes. And inside it comes with a 388 milliamp battery. Now these are very similar to the batteries that come with FMS vehicles, which has been branded JXC. Let's plug it in and check it out. So I've fitted the battery. As I thought, it's located in here. So I've fitted the battery. There's the controller. To turn on the controller, there's a push button. It beeps. Controller is 3-channel: steering, throttle, and this one here, channel 3, is your speed control. So you have slow, neutral, and fast speed. Okay. To turn on the truck, it's just push button there, and the light should come on. Press and hold. Lights come on, and the controller acknowledges with a beep. Looking good there with 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 LED lights at the front, none at the rear. Nice quick steering servo. So let's see how it goes. So this is in slow speed. So speed is pretty much controllable with the controller. Nice and smooth, actually. Very impressive. So we'll switch the switch to the middle. See what happens. So steering, it's in neutral, so it's obviously going to go nowhere. Press it again. It's now fast speed. clearly fast speed. So we'll go back into slow, just see it. Very cool. Let's get outside and see how it performs. I think it's absolutely fantastic. And £35 gets you a 1/24th scale off-road vehicle. Now it's not going to compete with the more expensive like FMS, Blaze or LC80. But for £35 you're getting a nice little off-road vehicle. With a few upgrades, I think it'll keep up with the bigger boys. But it looks really, really cool. Lots of incredible details. Got the interior, all the bits and pieces on the roof, LED lights, 2-speed, slow, fast speed, neutral setting, and I think it did all right. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about the truck, the video, the channel, good or bad. I will reply, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to RC Scale Tales. It really does help the channel. Anyway, looking forward to see you on the next RC Scale Tales video. Keep on crawling, keep on trailing. All the best now. Bye bye.